Welcome inside one of the most advanced leather manufacturing facilities in the world. Here, precision engineering, automation, and skilled professionals work together seamlessly to transform raw materials into premium Lion leather products. Conveyor belts glide smoothly, robotic arms move with perfect coordination, and workers in protective gear monitor every process step. Far from the factory, animals are raised in regulated conservation environments. Spacious enclosures, clean water, and controlled nutrition ensure a safe and ethical habitat. Caretakers observe every movement, and digital monitoring systems track health and activity, ensuring all sourcing is responsible and sustainable. Veterinarian specialists perform detailed health checks using advanced diagnostic tools. Each animal is observed closely and results are recorded digitally to maintain compliance with strict ethical and regulatory standards. Any anomaly is addressed immediately. Automated feeding systems deliver precise nutrition while caretakers oversee the process. Feeding schedules are strictly controlled, ensuring each animal receives balanced meals. The environment remains calm and orderly during each feeding session. Daily habitat cleaning is performed with mechanized systems and careful supervision. Water systems, brushes, and sanitizers maintain hygiene without disturbing the animals. Every corner of the enclosure is maintained to high standards. Behavioral monitoring continues through remote cameras and data dashboards. Every motion, feeding pattern, and activity is logged. This ensures ethical practices, safety, and traceability throughout the sourcing stage. Independent inspectors review all processes, including habitat, feeding, and monitoring systems. Documentation is verified, ensuring compliance with international animal welfare and operational standards. Logistics teams prepare schedules for safe and efficient material movement. Digital systems coordinate vehicles, routes, and timing. Every step is tracked to ensure consistency and security during transport. Final sourcing approvals are granted through secure digital systems. Each piece of material is verified, ensuring full traceability, ethical sourcing, and readiness for processing in the factory. Specialized climate-controlled vehicles are inspected and prepared. Temperature, humidity, and shock control systems are checked. Each vehicle ensures safe transit from the conservation facility to the leather processing plant. Sealed raw materials are loaded using automated handling systems. Robotic loaders carefully place crates and containers, ensuring secure, organized movement onto the transport line. Vehicles depart under strict monitoring. GPS tracking and digital logs ensure that all shipments are secure, monitored, and traceable in real time. Convoys transport materials over long distances to the processing plant. Every vehicle maintains stable conditions, and environmental factors are continuously monitored to preserve material quality. Upon arrival, vehicles pass through secure factory gates. Scanners and verification systems check every shipment before unloading. Only approved and verified materials enter the production facility. Materials move on to automated receiving conveyors. Containers glide along belts toward inspection stations. The process is smooth, continuous, and highly controlled to prevent delays. Technicians conduct initial inspections using digital scanning systems. Surface condition, thickness, and integrity are checked immediately. Any irregularities are flagged for corrective action. Automated sorting systems categorize materials by quality. Robotic arms redirect each piece to the appropriate processing path, optimizing workflow efficiency and maintaining consistent quality. Sorted materials enter temperature-controlled cold storage. Airflow, humidity, and temperature are precisely managed, preserving the raw material's natural integrity until processing begins. Before processing starts, materials are staged on organized queues. Deep washing continues inside stainless steel drums.
Controlled rotation and water circulation remove all remaining residues. Every fiber of the leather is cleaned thoroughly, preparing the material for chemical softening. The process is continuous, ensuring uniform results across all sheets. Chemical solutions are introduced with precise automation. Each drum receives exact concentrations of softening agents. The leather absorbs the solution evenly, enhancing flexibility while maintaining structural integrity. Sensors monitor every step to ensure precision. Mechanical fleshing machines remove remaining organic layers from the leather surface. Rollers and blades move in perfect synchronization. Material thickness is preserved and fibers are left ready for tanning and conditioning. Thickness calibration machines refine every piece. Laser-guided sensors continuously adjust pressure to achieve uniform dimensions. Each sheet is measured and corrected in real time, ensuring consistency throughout production. Fiber opening treatments chemically prepare the material. Controlled exposure loosens fibers, making leather more supple and resilient. Machines maintain precise timing and temperatures for optimal results. Neutralization systems remove any residual chemicals. Continuous rinsing restores balance and prepares the leather for the pickling stage. The process preserves natural texture and color while stabilizing fibers for tanning. Pickling solutions condition the leather for tanning. Acidity and chemical concentration are carefully maintained. Rotating drums ensure even distribution, preparing the leather for uniform color absorption. Primary tanning transforms raw hides into durable, premium leather. Large drums rotate continuously, allowing deep, uniform penetration of tanning solutions. Texture, firmness, and color begin to stabilize. Excess tanning solution drains from the leather. Conveyors move sheets forward while sensors monitor moisture and color. The transformation from raw hide to finished leather becomes visible as surfaces darken and texture develops. Hydromic presses remove remaining moisture from the tanned leather. Even pressure is applied across every sheet. Moisture content is carefully monitored, ensuring sheets retain optimal density and flexibility. Vacuum drying chambers extract water under controlled conditions. Temperature and pressure are precisely regulated. Leather sheets emerge stable, uniform, and ready for softening and finishing. Sheets hang in climate-controlled drying halls. Humidity and airflow are balanced for gentle drying. Each piece stabilizes naturally, retaining its shape and texture while preparing for final treatments. Mechanical softening machines flex fibers gently. This enhances suppleness and tactile quality. Leather becomes more pliable while maintaining strength and premium texture. Surface buffing smooths every sheet evenly. Rotating buffing wheels polish surfaces while dust extraction keeps the environment clean. A soft sheen begins to appear across every piece. Dyes are prepared in automated precision mixers. Every measurement is exact to ensure consistent color across all sheets. Operators monitor temperature and flow while machines blend pigments to perfection. Leather enters dyeing drums where color is absorbed uniformly. Continuous rotation ensures even coverage and prevents streaks. Color consistency is verified by sensors monitoring every sheet. Rinsing systems remove excess dye while locking in color. Flowing water cleans surfaces and prepares leather for conditioning. Recycled water systems reduce waste while maintaining environmental compliance. Conditioning oils are applied through fine sprays. Oils penetrate deep into the fibers, enhancing durability, flexibility, and the luxurious feel of the leather. Machines ensure even coverage and absorption. Final drying stabilizes conditioned leather. Gentle airflow completes the finishing process. Sheets are fully supple, strong, and ready for inspection, cutting, and assembly. Technicians conduct meticulous visual inspections under bright lights.
Surface texture, color, and uniformity are checked carefully. Any defects are immediately corrected to maintain premium quality.
Digital systems project cutting patterns onto the leather sheets. Grain direction, texture, and efficiency are analyzed to ensure minimal waste. Laser-guided projectors map every contour, allowing robotic cutting arms to slice with precision. Robotic cutting arms glide smoothly across each sheet. Every cut follows the projected design exactly.
On line 3.
Blades move steadily, producing perfectly shaped components for assembly, while sensors monitor motion to prevent errors. Cut leather components are automatically sorted and bundled. Conveyors guide pieces into organized sets based on product type. Robotic arms place bundles carefully, preparing them for the assembly stage. Edge thinning machines refine borders. Rotating blades gently trim edges for seamless joining during assembly. Leather thickness is uniform, improving aesthetics and structural integrity in the final product. Industrial stitching lines bring components together. Automated sewing machines move methodically while operators supervise. Needles penetrate thick leather layers, producing precise seams that ensure durability and premium quality. Reinforcement panels are bonded using hydraulic and pressure systems. Sheets are pressed uniformly to increase structural strength. Every bond is measured and monitored to ensure consistency across products. Edges are painted and sealed. Automated applicators coat leather borders evenly, creating smooth, polished finishes. Protective layers enhance durability while maintaining a refined, high-end appearance. Metal hardware is attached using automated presses. Alignment is precisely verified before pressing. Rivets, buckles, and clasps are securely installed without damaging surrounding leather. Products are shaped over molds using controlled heat and pressure. Leather conforms perfectly to the mold shape. Each item gains its intended structure, curves, and dimensional accuracy. Polishing wheels rotate gently to enhance surface finish. Every curve and seam receives a soft sheen. Buffing removes minor imperfections, leaving leather smooth, glossy, and ready for inspection. Inspectors conduct detailed hands-on evaluations. Each seam, edge, and surface is examined. Automated arms apply covers evenly, preventing scratches or damage during transport. Every item is handled gently and consistently. Boxing systems place wrapped products into rigid cartons. Conveyors move boxes seamlessly along the line. Automated sealing mechanisms ensure every package is secure and ready for shipment. Robotic palletizers stack boxes efficiently in warehouse racks. Pallets are wrapped and stabilized. The organized layout maximizes storage capacity and simplifies logistics management. Climate-controlled storage preserves product quality. Temperature and humidity are constantly monitored to maintain leather's integrity and prevent degradation over time. Pallets are loaded into global shipping containers. Loading systems ensure stability and security. Every container is documented for logistics, ensuring smooth international transport. Finished leather products are displayed in premium retail environments. Shelving, lighting, and spacing showcase product quality. Each item appears luxurious, organized, and visually appealing. The process concludes with a professional review of the finished product. Inspectors rotate, test, and present leather items. What began as raw material now stands as refined, market-ready leather, engineered with precision, care, and industrial excellence.